Viva! Welcome to Projectventive. In our today's video, we are going to talk about the Viva. Before the video starts, like and share this video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel Projectventive for more updates. Microsoft Viva is described as being by Microsoft as the first employee experience platform to integrate tools for employee engagement, learning, and welfare, as well as the discovery of new knowledge, directly into the flow of people's work. Viva was developed to assist employees in their learning, development, and overall success by providing them with novel experiences that are integrated with the productivity and collaboration features of Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Teams. To unify the employee experience across 4 key areas: engagement, well-being, learning, and knowledge in an integrated experience that empowers people to be their best, Microsoft Viva builds on the power of Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365. This allows for the unification of the employee experience. Microsoft Viva's most important parts and pieces. Microsoft Viva Connections. Viva Connections is a framework that enables you to provide your intranet through Microsoft Teams. Viva Connections was developed by Microsoft. This serves as Teams' home app. Employees can join communities such as employee resource groups and access internal communications, as well as company information such as policies and benefits, all from a single app that can be customized and found within Microsoft Teams. The word customizable is emphasized in this context since it is self-evident that you will still be expected to effectively deliver and communicate material through an experience that resonates with the purpose, objectives, and culture of your organization. The most important factor, however, is that an increasing number of employees are now using Microsoft Teams as their preferred location for communicating and collaborating with other coworkers. Even if employees do not check into SharePoint daily, content can still be delivered to them through the use of Viva Connections. How much does it cost to use Viva Connections? Now, there's even better news to share about this situation. There is no cost to use Viva Connections. As an integral element of any existing Microsoft 365 and SharePoint Online subscription, Viva Connections is made available to all Microsoft 365 subscribers at no additional cost. If a user has access to SharePoint Online, then they will also have access to Viva Connections without having to pay any additional fees. What are the benefits of using Microsoft Viva Connections? Maximize the potential of your company's SharePoint intranet. If more time is being spent in Teams, individuals may be unaware of significant new developments or announcements regarding the organization. You may provide a comprehensive and individualized experience for your staff members by importing the content from your SharePoint intranet into Viva Connections. Employee engagement. Microsoft plans to solve difficulties with employee engagement by integrating the Teams platform with company communications and news. More mobile-friendly. Microsoft Viva Connections will provide a streamlined experience for completing important tasks from your mobile device, regardless of what role you play in the company, whether you are a frontline worker or an information worker. This is because Microsoft Viva Connections is designed to be role agnostic. What are some of the restrictions that come with using Microsoft Viva Connections? Teams only allow users to access modern versions of SharePoint sites and pages. The remainder of the content will load in the appropriate browser. Pages from SharePoint that are viewed in Microsoft Teams do not currently have access to all of its capabilities. Microsoft Viva Topics. People can put their knowledge to work with the assistance of Microsoft Viva Topics, which employs AI to uncover expertise within the apps that they use daily. Viva Topics is a content management platform that automatically organizes material across apps and teams and is built-in security and compliance capabilities. The most important aspects of Microsoft Viva Topics. Determine topics on your own automatically. Determine which topics are prevalent throughout the content as well as the dialogues, then organize the information and produce topic pages. Find topics that are connected. Find and display topics and skills from multiple sources that are complementary to one another. Create topic pages in an automated fashion. Construct subject pages and topic cards by making use of recommended definitions, related content, relevant conversations, and your knowledge. Perform topic curation. Grow your company's body of knowledge by putting your experts and AI to work revising topic pages. The most important points display subject highlights and topic cards in any app that is part of the Microsoft 365 suite. You may find topics in almost any place by using search to find topics. You may provide individuals with the knowledge they require whenever and wherever they are. Viva Learning for Microsoft. Viva Learning. Microsoft Viva Learning gives individuals the ability to improve themselves through employee training in a manner that is both natural and uninterrupted. It fosters an environment of progress, which in turn assists individuals in realizing their full potential. An existing learning management system can be fully linked with the Microsoft Viva Learning app, which is a personalized learning platform that is built into Microsoft Teams. When a user opens Microsoft Viva Learning inside Teams, they will be presented with a selection of courses that have been curated for them from a variety of different providers. This means that the courses have been automatically selected and organized based on the user's profile and learning history. It is possible to draw parallels between Viva Learning and Spotify because both services encourage self-discovery and provide recommendations to users based on their profiles and previous educational experiences. Viva Insights for Microsoft Viva. The insights and activities included in the applications that individuals use daily can promote individual health and help organizations become more resilient. This is what Microsoft Viva Insights offers: perspectives for the heads of businesses. In this lesson, we will address important concerns regarding resiliency and workplace culture, as well as develop better work habits using insights and recommendations supported by data and research. Perspectives for the management team. Gain an understanding of the tendencies that contribute to stress and burnout, such as excessive cooperation and a lack of focus time. Viva Goals. Microsoft Viva Goals is a solution for goal setting in management that links teams to the strategic priorities of your organization, hence delivering outcomes in a successful business. The objectives and key results feature of Viva Goals makes it possible for individuals, as well as businesses, to structure and monitor their goals, OKRs. MS Viva Goals helps to align teams to the strategic priorities of your organization and brings them together around the mission and purpose of the organization. It helps to provide clarity on the work that workers are doing and how that work contributes to the most important priorities of the organization. Once this alignment has been established, then the teams may concentrate their efforts on carrying out the task, coming to reasonable conclusions, and driving the intended results for the company. Additionally, Viva Goals integrates business objectives into the flow of day-to-day work, making it simpler to stay current with connected data and automated reminders. Additionally, it makes it easier to share OKRs and their progress across the organization, with customized dashboards and direct links. Viva Goals interacts with Microsoft Teams, Azure DevOps, and other work management and data tools that customers are already using. Additionally, more connections will be coming with Microsoft Viva, Microsoft Power BI, and other Microsoft 365 apps and services shortly. OKRs do not longer live in a vacuum, disconnected from the employee experience and the physical spaces in which people work thanks to Viva Goals. When it finally becomes accessible to the general public later in the third quarter of the calendar year 2022, Viva Goals will be a part of the standard subscription to the Microsoft Viva package. The Viva Engage Leadership Corner and Viva Engage. The Communities app for Teams serves as the basis for Microsoft's Viva Engage, which the company describes as a social community app. It is possible to think of Viva Engage as the digital version of side discussions or time spent chatting around the water cooler. Even while you interact consistently with the members of your team who are closest to you, it is less likely that you have frequent conversations with members of other teams. Viva Engage includes all of the elements that you would expect to see on a contemporary social media platform, such as news feeds, profiles, and the capability to publish photographs and videos. Users are provided with a profile page that is comparable to that of Facebook. On this page, users can submit status updates, photos, videos, and pretty much anything else that might be found on a social network. Storylines and stories play an important role in Viva Engage. because they allow coworkers to engage with one another and share their opinions, knowledge, and experiences through chats, photographs, and videos. Leadership Corner was made available by Microsoft 1 month after Viva Engage became accessible to the general public. On Viva Engage, this area is intended to serve as a place for leaders to connect with employees at a time and place where those employees are already engaging with one another and forming communities. Employees get a personalized view of their leaders, including their most recent activity and communications, via the Leadership Corner feature. Leadership Corner provides new event formats, such as AMA, Ask Me Anything, events, surveys and other means for two-way dialogue, and dashboards for leaders to track employee sentiment and metrics in real time. Some examples of these types of events include Viva Sales. Viva Sales is the first role-based Viva application, and it was developed exclusively for sales teams to provide a completely integrated platform for the seller experience. This platform brings together knowledge, learning, communications, goals, and insights. It does this by utilizing its tagging tools to automatically gather client information, and then feed this information into any CRM, including Salesforce CRM and Microsoft Dynamics 365. In addition to this, it can access data from any Microsoft 365 product, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and provide recommendations provided by AI. Because Viva Sales integrates your CRM, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft 365, salespeople no longer have to manually enter data or transition between different contexts during the sales process. According to Microsoft, Viva Sales enables sales teams to concentrate on the activities that are most important to them and execute them at the highest possible level, regardless of where they are located. The ability to work from any location enhances productivity, effectiveness, and relationships with existing and potential customers. Viva Sales includes several components, all of which are intended to facilitate ongoing enhancement, including the following: artificial intelligence. The more laborious aspects of the sales process that can be automated by AI lead to an increase in income. Call summaries, ideas, and reminders that are powered by AI assist salesmen in their work. Regularly occurring dashboards. Dashboards are fully customizable, allowing salespeople to centralize all of the pertinent data on their customer relationships in a single location. Compatible with the already established CRM. People can keep on top of their client interactions by using unified data management, which is made possible by Viva Sales, which helps reduce the workload associated with data entry methods. Viva Amplify. Viva Amplify is a brand new app that assists users in amplifying their messages in several different ways. To begin, the app brings all forms of communication under one umbrella. Additionally, it provides writing suggestions to assist in making sure that messages resonate with employees. It enables communicators to publish to several channels all at once: Outlook, SharePoint, Viva, etc. Manage communications campaigns from a centralized location, and analyze performance to plan future communications. Viva Pulse. The Viva Pulse module is going to be a really helpful addition to the game. Within the context of the flow of work in teams, Viva Pulse makes it possible for managers and team leaders to solicit regular, confidential feedback from their team members. Managers have access to a question library that is backed by research to assist them in formulating the appropriate questions to ask, and sentiment analysis and trends provide leaders with important data from their team members. Viva Pulse is a tool that assists leaders in determining what aspects of their organization are functioning effectively and in which areas they should concentrate their efforts. It also guides the subsequent steps, actions, and learning opportunities that should be taken in light of the feedback that has been processed. We appreciate your viewing, and we hope you enjoyed the video. How was the video? Did you enjoy it? Post your feedback in our comment section below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Project Ventive for more updates.